Absolutely beautiful work from Injective. If you followed my last and most recent Injective update, which was actually a couple days ago, then you would know what is going on right now is bullish, because we were actually losing this previous resistance that was considered our low of this range for some weeks, and then unfortunately losing it as support. And so then you assume that we come back to the previous level of support. We also had a wick rejection here in the past, and that's why we marked out these levels for you in our most recent update. In fact, suggesting that we will see a much deeper correction if we fail to reclaim the $34 mark and also lose the $28 mark. Then we could be coming down as low as $20, which was all in the last update. However, we always speak of both scenarios, and what we were saying in the last update is that even though the 55 was lost, we cannot consider this a lower low. Just equally, if you follow along with my other videos, especially the Trias updates, there was that $10 support on the 55, but like a $9.28 support on the wick, and then you need to lose the wick for a complete loss of the 55. So equally, it's the same here, but just different prices, the 55 being $32.80 and then this wick being $30.43. so yes, lose the 55. We would usually say you're coming to the 200 EMA sitting at $20, and the fibs are also prepared for a move down to that price point if we're losing the low over here of the support. And if we're not even losing this low, that's not a lower low, so we're not getting downtrend continuation. But equally, when we created this candle, you created a wick showing that there was support at this location. Otherwise, why did price climb back above the 55 for the daily candle close? Because there are two supports here, the 55 being one, and this where the bulls essentially stepped in on this wick. So yes, we lost the 55 on another second attempt, but did we lose the lowest wick at $30? No, we did not. So we can't consider this a lower low, and this is what exactly we were running through in my last Injective update. Guys, make sure you're liking, subscribing, commenting and sharing. Let's get past 10,000 subs as quick as possible. It really is appreciated if you can continue to share these updates, but also turn on the notification bell on and check that your phone settings has it allowed as well, because I can actually see maybe there's 20% of you that have the notification bell on, but only, let's say, 10% of you getting the notification, because you need to allow your notification settings on your iPhone or Samsung or Android, whatever. Now, what we're seeing over here with this beautiful reclaim after failing to put in that lower low, even though it looks like one, even though the 55 has been lost, as I explained in today's and the last update, we needed to lose this wick. Without doing so, we're actually not breaking down and forming this bullish engulfing, which we were talking about in the last update. And then I think that it was around Friday or Saturday, so it was one of these two candles where we made the video, and we were essentially saying that this is a great bullish signal because it's now giving more not confidence, but yeah, I guess it's giving more confidence to the bulls that we can now actually reclaim this level, because we're now forming an EMA repel. Or in another way you can look at it is we're getting this move back up without any bearish cross forming. And so are we truly bearish? The answer is no. We've now formed this EMA repel, and the only way you do that is a slingshot motion back above the moving averages and then falling back to them as support, confirming it. And this is exactly what we said in the last video update. Make sure to comment down below if you remember this. Now, just hold this area as support, and we will get this continuation to $50, and then our actual technical target, as you saw in the last update's title and thumbnail, $90. So this is just our sideways correction that we're going through right now. As long as $28 holds, we're not going to see a further correction. This is going to be a great point to DCA going forward when we are at a $90 valuation, and you're going to only wish that you got more down here in the 30s, 40s. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment and share. Make sure you're entering the giveaway. I'm giving away 30 minutes of one-to-one mentorship and one ebook with my exact written format of my strategy. Again, 6 followers away from our 2.5k goal, 100 subs away from our 8k subscriber goal. Click the link over here if you want to take action on the mentorship options. Remember, there are certain slots available, so once they are gone, it's back to the old prices. So use this time wisely if you want to take your trading to that next level, guys. Cheers, everyone.